performance of the G5 Plus and the OnePlus 3T. He's confused between them. Seriously, this is a very peculiar question. I frankly didn't test it with the OnePlus 3T, but I don't know if I'll post a dedicated video if many of you ask for it. I'll try to do that. But let's see, I just can't comment because I didn't test the camera performance with the OnePlus 3T. And this is by Zombie Bird. Does it heat up? As I've mentioned, with regular usage I did not find any heating issues, but with gaming I played some games for about 15 minutes. The back was getting a bit warm. I'll try to post a dedicated gaming video and I'll show you the temperature results of that, so stay tuned. And how's the battery life? It has a 3000 milliamp hour battery and the battery is sealed inside, and I thought the battery life might not be great because it's just having a 3000 milliamp hour battery. But surprisingly, the battery life has been very good, and that is thanks to the Snapdragon 625 chipset. As you can see from the screenshots, it could easily last for about 1.5 days. And in terms of screen on time, you can easily get about 5 to 5.5.
हाई क्वालिटी क्या था कि वो थोड़ा थोड़ा संपूर्ण धीरे धीरे ये आकारी बनने लगी। सभी आत्माएं जो थी, ये सब 9 लाख आत्माएं जो थी, 9 लाख 4 और बन गई। 16 तलाक से 15 तलाक में, 16 तलाक से 15 तलाक में, 15 तलाक में आए। तो जैसे ये बीज होता है, बीज में से अंकुर निकलता है, ऐसे ये बीज में से अंकुर निकला। अब जो बीज, जो ये निराकार आत्मा, निराकार की आत्मा के अंदर ऐसे जैसे
that allows you to use the fingerprint scanner to navigate through the device. So you won't need your navigation keys now. If you tap on the fingerprint scanner, it'll bring you back to the home button. If you swipe left, it will mimic a back action, and if you swipe right, it will mimic a multitasking action as well. So basically you can simply use the fingerprint scanner to navigate through the device. Now if you hold, you can lock the screen, and if you hold slightly longer, it launches the Google Assistant. You also have the standard motor features like double chop for launching the flashlight or twist to launch the camera. You also have additional features like swiping up from the bottom of the device to make the device a smaller screen device. If you're using the one button navigation, you will not be able to use the swipe up to shrink screen option because it gets rid of the on-screen navigation keys.
और यहाँ समझो कि 9 कला तक 33 कोटि देव के देवी देवता बन गए होंगे। क्या बन गए होंगे? संख्या 9 कला तक 33 कोटि देवता। ये उसको कहेंगे बेहद के देवी देवता। क्या कहेंगे? बेहद के देवी देवता। बेहद के आदि अनादि जो धर्म है ना, हिंदू में क्या लिखा? आदि अनादि हिंदू मतलब देवी देवता हिंदू शास्त्र में लिखा है। आदि अनादि देवी देवता।